Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just made a video on this, and I said I'd make a second one because I think I figured out something to maybe look it better. So I'm going to get rid of these black boxes. I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm just going to go from that node to that node. And I don't know if it's going to make it look any better, but I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool set on a gray. And then I'm going to take this, get the interactive fill tool, and just come downwardly and make it black, like it's actually going down into that somewhat tunnel or square. Now there'll be a way to reduplicate that with the attribute eyedropper, but it's just as easy. You can get it pretty close, and maybe the shadow is supposed to be a little differently. And then maybe I would take that line and make it a line so it's got a dividing point. Now I'm going to take this, hold down the shift key, and group it together, Control G. Control D to duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate. Okay, I didn't evidently get it all grouped together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to nudge it out of the way. And I must have had 2 copies. I'm going to get that line out of the way. So I'm going to make sure this is grouped together, Control G, and then put it back. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it that 90 degrees. Control D. My Control D is not working. Normally it would just go ahead and go. I need to reboot my computer 270. Now I'm not saying it looks any better, but it does give it a little distinctive look to it. If we put a black box around it, object order back a page, I think it does add to it. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.